Did you know that you are the owner of the fastest and most powerful computer in the world? No, I'm not talking about the device you're using right now. I'm talking about your brain. Whether you realize it or not, it controls everything that you will ever do. So let's take a moment to celebrate this amazing organ by learning a little bit more about how it works. Quick, what's 3 plus 3? To answer that question, you need to use the largest part of your brain, the cerebrum. The cerebrum has many different jobs, from thinking and learning to feeling emotions, moving your body, and storing memories. Now try standing on one foot. Believe it or not, you wouldn't be able to do that without the small part at the back of your brain called the cerebellum. The cerebellum is responsible for balance and coordination, so without it, you wouldn't be able to stand up straight or move around. Think about what your body can do automatically, like breathing, blinking, and digesting food. These things are all possible thanks to your brainstem. This part of the brain connects to the spinal cord and is in charge of sending messages to other parts of the body. Those are just some of the amazing things that your brain is capable of. Wow, you just grew your brain by learning about your brain.